Happy Diwali.
So this particular Diwali day, when we take New Year Day or a Christmas or some other, say, Independence Day that we celebrate, we usually celebrate it on the same day every year, like 15th August or 25th December. But Deepavali or many other festivals that we celebrate in the Indian context or in the different states, they seem to fall on different days in different years. So is it like something like a convenience-based celebration, or does it have some other significance? Can you explain this a bit?
Yeah, I can understand the difficulty. All of us face this where we want something to be certain. Certain means it's fixed in time. But again, how do we measure time? That is an important question. If we understand the science or the logic behind it, then it becomes easier to uh, come to terms with it. The Indian festivals are mostly to do with the lunar calendar, also solar calendar, but lunar calendar. The difference between the Western calendar and the Indian calendar is in terms of, for example, we say October 18th is Deepavali now, this year, 2017. So, 2017 means something, October means something, and this date 18 means something. So in the Western calendar, they look at a month from the beginning, from a certain point of the zodiac signs. That is the 15th degree entry of the sun. While in the Indian calendar, for example, Tamil Nadu calendar, we look at the entry of the sun into the 0th degree of a particular Rashi or a zodiac sign. That is the birth of a month. So now this is the solar calendar. Now add to this the lunar aspect. A day of the lunar calendar is calculated as movement of the moon with respect to the sun. Movement of the moon with respect to the sun. So that is a day of the lunar calendar, a lunar month. So a day is typically 12 degree movement of the moon with respect to the sun. Now that gets very interesting. 12 degree movement of the moon with respect to the sun. Now the sun is moving at a certain rate, the moon is moving a little faster, and it catches up with the sun. So when it is with the sun, it is called Amavasya. When it is 180 degrees away from the sun, it is called Paurnami. So Paurnami, Amavasya. So Amavasya to Paurnami is called Shukla Paksha, 15 days of Shukla Paksha, that is the bright half. Now Paurnami to Amavasya is called Krishna Paksha. Now we celebrate Deepavali as Naraka Chaturdashi. Chatur means 4 and Dasha means 10. So 4 plus 10, 14th day of the Krishna Paksha, 14th day, that is of the lunar month, and which half? It's the Krishna Paksha, from Paurnami to Amavasya. The day just before Amavasya, that is Chaturdashi. That's when Lord Krishna actually decimated Narakasura, because he was a very tyrant, big tyrant, and hence to restore order amongst kings and in the world, Bhagavan Krishna eliminated Narakasura. This is also the day when Sri Rama, Lord Rama, returned back to Ayodhya with Ma Sita. Like this is also the day when Pandavas came out of their exile. This is also the day in Purana, it's mentioned when Mahalakshmi came out of the ocean, churning of the oceans, the Samudra Mantana. So like this, there is a lot of significance. So it is Chaturdashi, Krishna Paksha, and it falls in the Tamil month of Aipasi. So it gets very interesting. So Aipasi, Chaturdashi of the Krishna Paksha. And that is celebrated as Diwali. Now this, interestingly, you will see that the moon's movement is a little faster than the sun, and hence it does not coincide with any specific date of the solar calendar, which we generally use right now as a popular calendrical system, or even in the Indian sense, for example, Tamil month of Aipasi. Within that Aipasi month, the Naraka Chaturdashi could be any date. So this year it falls on 18th October. Next year it falls on 6th November, which is still Aipasi, but Naraka Chaturdashi of the Krishna Paksha falls on 6th November. And then 2019 it falls on 26th October. So like this, with reference to the solar, still the lunar time frame shifts slightly. So this is how we look at it in the Indian system. So happy Diwali to all of us.